to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. For a quick audio and video check-in on the stock market, here's the Stock Market Power Lunch.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. It's Monday, June 27th, 2016. Took me a minute, but it's still Monday, folks. We're still here. We're still losing money in the markets. Not a whole lot of fun. It's the Stock Market Power Lunch. We're back. We talked about futures in the morning market mimosa, and the story continues to be the same. Lots of negativity, but let's open up on a bright note. If you're listening to this podcast, do me a favor, do a screenshot, press the little home button and then the off-on button on your iPhone, and tweet it at us at Tusk Media LLC. And we will send you a beer koozie or a Diet Coke koozie if that's your preference. They look very similar. You might not know the difference till you actually use it, but you'll see that it works great. It's very customized like that. It's got the Narwhal Capital Management logo on the front because that's our parent company here at Tusk Media. On the back it says, "Get ready for a whale of a time." And if you're lucky, we're actually going to send out a game-used Narwhal koozie to somebody out there, and we mean game-used as in here. I don't know if you can tell this, but it's covered in all kinds of chalk. We use these as chalkboard erasers. So, screenshot, tweet at Tusk Media LLC. We'll make sure you get that. Let's get to the negativity. The market, down, down, down. Not a lot of fun. The Dow's down about 140 basis points, so 1.4%. Not fun. Every component in the Dow is in the red for the second consecutive day, so not a lot of good news to report there. The S&P down 1.73, so a little bit worse. The Nasdaq down even worse, down 2.3% right now. Global Dow is down about 2.2%, so not a lot of relief nationwide. The Brexit hangover is real, and you folks are having trouble finding your Advil, so get some Pedialyte, toughen up, man up. We got work to do. Let's start rallying these markets up. It's up to us out there. So gold is up about 11 basis points, so up just a little bit. Oil is down like 2.6%. Rough day kind of across the board, so we're going to highlight some winners. Kroger. K. Roger is up pretty strongly, up 3.6% today. On the 23rd, so the day of the Brexit vote, they actually announced that they were raising their dividend and also announced a $500 million share buyback program. That's a little bit of good news that they kind of swept under the rug. People kind of ignored because there were these big international stories, and the stock's actually doing really, really well today, up 3.6%. Meanwhile, NextEra Energy is up a little bit more than 2%. That's good news. We're excited to see that. It's actually something we own for some clients. So congrats to NEE is the ticker there. Some good news there. We're going to try to highlight the real MVPs out there, so we'll keep an eye on that stuff. Bond Week. If you're tired of talking about stocks like we are right now, you need to listen to Bond Week. First episode is coming up tonight. It's going to be on your iPod. Do you still use an iPod? On your iPhone, whatever you got out there, it's going to be there waiting on you if you hit that subscribe button. Got about a 20 to 30 minute conversation between myself and Matt Burton, the founder of Narwhal. We're going to hang out and tackle the issue of what is a bond. That's kind of what the goal is. Tomorrow we're going to come at you and talk about different types of bonds, and we're going to kind of progress throughout the week. So listen to Bond Week. Again, every listen to Bond Week is a listen against Shark Week. So you're not only listening to us, you're listening against somebody. So that makes it doubly important. Can really help us win this war on Discovery. So Discovery Channel doesn't stand a chance. Thanks to you guys. Thanks for being here. We will be back later this afternoon. Maybe have one or two of the new guys come on and say hello, introduce themselves, have a little bit of fun with it. You all have a great afternoon. We will talk to you soon.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.